So as I was saying in the last video, part 1, you're going to want these two little holes lined up and down this way, not across this way. So these pads, they've been grinding your shot. No pad left. These aren't pads, these are just back of the pad. This one has a little bit left on it. So, that being said, we're changing out the rotor. 13 millimeters. Hold the bracket on. And as I said before, within the rust belt in New England, I need a force multiplier. To get that little rotor off. Bracket goes on where the pad is going to sit. You've got to make sure that there's some lubrication there. These aren't very rusty, but sometimes you're going to have to clean that surface. Reverse procedure. Bracket back on. I'll show you one more trick you're going to need to know. That trick is the new pads. You see they have a up and down little nub and a side to side little nub. You would think the up and down nub would go in the up and down of the caliper, but it's counterintuitive. They go this way because they go in between. If you had the side-by-side ones, it would be underneath the caliper and you wouldn't get the caliper back on. Ask me how I know. So now our piston is pushed back in. We're going to take lubrication. Lubricate the slide bolt. Lubricate the other slide bolt. Don't be shy with the grease, especially in rusty areas such as here in New England. Tighten our 7mm Allen bolts. plastic that you pop on the end. And the final piece of the puzzle is, I'll show you what I do, is we put this wire back on there that I took off. We got the brand new one here. I put anti-seize, never seize, whatever you want to call it. I goop it all up on the end. This side wasn't that bad to take apart. The other side, I couldn't get them out of the hole. So these just stick into the hole. You hold it into the hole and then clip it around the back side of the anchor. And that should do it. You got a nice freed up slider. Everything's working good. I take the extra time to lube everything up like that because this is a friend's car and I know however many years from now I'll be doing this again and I don't want to have any trouble. So make life easier on yourself. The anchor bolts, I could have definitely put some never seize on there, but they should be okay. Something like that you can kind of skip, but if you want to be a perfectionist, sure, put some never seize on there. Can't hurt at all. Alright, that's the end of that. Just put the tire on, make sure you torque the wheels. Always torque the wheels. Don't hammer around with a gun. Don't guess. Get a torque wrench. Or what I have is torque sticks. Torque sticks are great for a shop setting. This one's 100 foot-pounds. Put your socket on there. Use your gun. It'll only tighten to 100 foot-pounds. But if not, use a torque wrench. You don't want to work these brand new rotors having 100 here, 120 here, 60 here. You don't know. It'll just twist this metal up once it heats up, and you get one heck of a pulsation. I see people do it all the time. So make sure you do that sort of thing and do a good job. Alright, bye for now.